Hello! Today we are going to talk about the 4 future tenses. Yes, in English we have 4 different verb tenses for talking about the future. So let's take a look at the first one. So let's start with future simple. Will. Just the one word. Will plus a verb. So let's take, for example, a party that is happening tomorrow night. So I can say, I will attend the party. Simple, right? I can say, the party will be fun. Now let me ask you, will Sarah be at the party? That's great. I can't wait to see her. And will there be drinks at the party? Perfect. You probably already know about the simple future. The second future tense is the future continuous. This uses the verb will plus be and a gerund. A gerund is just a fancy way to say a verb that ends in ing. For example, at the party, I will be dancing. Right? You start with the subject, then will be, and then the gerund. Dancing, drinking, eating, going, talking, etc. And when do we use the future continuous? Normally, we want to say what is happening when an event occurs. What will be happening in the future when the event occurs? So, for example, when you arrive, I will be dancing. So I'm talking about a specific event, you arriving, and what will be happening during that time. I will be dancing. It doesn't matter when I start, and it doesn't matter when I finish, but it will be happening during that time. So for example, I say, hey, when you arrive tomorrow night, don't try to talk to me because I will be dancing like a crazy man. Because that's just what I do. All right, so what will you be doing at midnight at the party? What will you be doing? Good, because we're talking about a specific event, midnight, and what will be happening at that moment. Again, not important when it started or when it ends, just that it is happening during that time. So let's talk about the different things people will be doing at midnight tomorrow at the party. So they will be, and they will, and they, and. Very good. Okay, let's look at the third future tense, the future perfect. This is formed with the verb will, then the verb have, and then the past participle of the verb. So for example, the past participle of do is done. Past participle of go is gone. The past participle of dance is danced. Perfect. Okay, so you can see the structure. So let's talk now about 1:30 a.m. at the party. So at 1:30 a.m., what will have happened? Well, for example, I will have danced a lot, and I will be tired. Why will I be tired? Exactly, because I will have danced a lot. And what about you? What will you have done at 1:30 in the morning? Oh, really? Well, that sounds fun. Well, I will have sung a lot of karaoke. And you? Oh, you like olives, do you? Okay. And I will have had enough of the party by 1:30 and be ready to go home. What about you? Okay, well now we are ready for the fourth future tense. Okay, this fourth tense is called the future perfect continuous, and it's very similar to the future perfect. Let's first look at how it's created. So it starts with will plus have been plus the gerund. Happening, going, laughing, crying, whatever. Okay? And we usually use this to talk about a period of time. 2 hours, 10 minutes, 100 years, a period of time. So let's look at the example of 1:30 a.m. in the morning. And let's talk about how long things will have been happening for. Whew. Are you getting dizzy yet? Well, good. Hang in there. So for me, by 1:30 in the morning, I will have been singing karaoke for 3 hours. My voice will be hoarse. What about you? What will you have been doing? Wow, I hope it will be a good conversation. And crazy Carlos, what will he have been doing for a full hour by 1:30? That's right. I imagine he will be looking very tired by 12:30. Okay, so let's review. We have 4 future tenses. The first one is future simple, and it's formed with the word will plus the verb. The second one is the future continuous, and this is formed with the word will plus the gerund of the verb. The third one is the future perfect, and it is formed with the verb will plus what? Do you remember? Good. The word will plus the word have plus the past participle of the verb. And now for the fourth one. Do you remember the name? Future perfect continuous. Woo! Just the name is difficult. And how is it formed? Good, will, and then good, have been, and then exactly, the gerund. Will have been going, will have been talking, etc. Okay, well now you are an expert at the 4 future tenses. Nice job. Every day you are getting better and better. Hey, whoa, too close. Well, thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. Or is it subscribing and liking? I can never remember, but you are clever. You can figure it out. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you here at Chameleon English. Bye-bye.